going to clean the lens a little bit. There we go. That'll make a huge difference. So, welcome to the back passage. This is my little project for this week. One of. This whole back wall is above ground. It's a retaining wall, and some of the pointing needs to be redone. So, I'm going to start in this corner. This seems to be moving closer to the road, which is not really what we want. I thought I'd start on this side, go back out on that side. It's a fairly dry week, so it's perfect for it. It's not going to freeze because I'll be using lime based French version, not the English one, but it's lime based. So yeah, I've got to pull out all the old mortar, mould, weeds, everything else, and repoint it up, and then hope that keeps everything sturdy. So fun times for me. Video will probably be on and off as the progress continues through. But that's what it looks like right now. It might be concrete up the top, I don't know. Concrete mortar. It's not the best for it. As you can see, it's all starting to go. It's not really doing what it's supposed to be doing. So we'll see what happens. I think too, because we had such a rainy period, not necessarily the winter, but an actual period of time, that I don't think it benefited everything. So see if we can make things secure. That's the tool for the moment. Get rid of the onion grass. So, for anyone that doesn't know, these man, it's windy. These Breton walls, and a lot in France as well, they stack the stone with mud clay, and then they just lime mortar the stones all around. So I'm back to mud in there, and that's it. I don't want to go too far because it just makes the wall unstable, obviously, but yeah. Clean up now, give it a hose down, and I can check it again. I might be able to do some mortaring this afternoon. I'll probably just do that for the rest of the week, work my way along this bit and then down there. It's not good to do too much at once. Not necessarily pretty, but definitely functional. So I got that finished up yesterday afternoon, and the main, well, I mean, when you open a can of worms, it doesn't matter if it's slow or if it's fast, it starts something. Was this looks like it's bulging, and I wasn't sure if it was the bay tree pushing it out or whether it's just whatever. So I'm going to go through and just any of the joints, things like that. And then I sort of found this. It's underneath a great big piece of granite, no mortar whatsoever. So that's my can of worms right now. I've been off to the Brico and got a bit more, some more shore, some more lime, some more sand. I'm gonna put a wedge under there and hold that up, and then pull everything out, clean it out, stack it back in again, mortar it in, and if it doesn't change, at least I'll sleep at night knowing the wall won't fall over in the middle of the night, which is a good thing as well. Yes, that was a jet. They like Brittany as a practice ground. Smell the roses for a bit. Oh, at least you don't have to worry about snakes popping out. Oh, there's going to be a lot of that going on.
bien.
Eh,
Very good.
yeah.
Ouais.
Good fun.
Ouais.
Ouais. Ah, John encore. Yeah. So you said, oh, use an imagery on that one. How did you fucking use one?
Once I realised I was coming down